Hey y'all, so I just wanted to do a quick product review for you. Smoked salmon vegan. I've never heard of this before, so I decided to give it a try because the ingredients seem reasonable. There's no soy, which I avoid, no tofu, no wheat gluten, which I don't like. It's just water, olive oil, konjac powder, pea starch, potato starch, pea protein, sea salt, organic agave nectar, seaweed powder, fenugreek, which is yummy and good for you, alginate from seaweed, and paprika and calcium hydroxide. So let's open this up. Hello again. I'll need the scissors. Hold on a second. All right. Smells good. Smells very smoky.
Well, I can't remember when I threw it all away, but I'm holding on to what they used to say.
Very thin.
They said true love's
My mouth is watering because I'm starving. I just went on this like 2-hour hike. Yeah, it's smoky, so I was gonna make sushi with it, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Very rubbery. It tastes like rubbery smoke. Like the algae noodles. It's kind of like, reminds me of the gelatin in gefilte fish. It's like,
religion, tradition seem to help keep this jewel safe and sound asleep when clutching is too tight.
it's like the part of the salmon that's,
What kills me is when I think
that you don't, that isn't the fish part, that isn't the meat part. It's like all,
I couldn't use
it's not bone, but
well, I can't remember when
it's just not very pleasant to chew. It's not horrible tasting.
letting go. I hear
It might be good in sushi. Just kind of, definitely not good alone. Yeah. Ugh. Okay, it just tastes like smoked jello. But they've got the pretty orange. I think maybe in a sandwich. I don't feel bad afterwards, I don't feel like icky. It was just really weird to chew, like not pleasant, like you're chewing the wrong part of the food or something. Let's see what it's got. It's got less than 1 gram of protein. It's got 260 milligrams of sodium, 0 grams of sugar, 0 grams of fat. So it's basically just salt. Oh wait, calcium, 12 milligrams. Potassium, 32 milligrams. Okay, so this explains what konjac is. Konjac is konjac root, and also known as elephant yam. This ancient superfood is a staple across Southeast Asia and been popular in traditional Japanese cuisine. Very salty. Lower in calories and higher in fiber. We combine konjac with nutrient-rich sea plants to create our line of vegan seafood products, so they have more stuff, which I would try. I know I was like grossed out, but I'll eat it. I'm not gonna throw it out. It's not gross, it's just a weird consistency to chew, but I think if I make sushi with it, I think it might be good. It's so funny. It's like trying beer for the first time or something when you're like, ew, but then you're like, you want more. But I like that it's got potassium, and I like that it's a superfood. So I definitely still would go for this before I go for fake meat and chickens that are all soy. Like this would be definitely my choice over that. Alright, thanks for watching my review. If I do the sushi, I will add that to the video. Okay, I heated it up with some spelt bread. I took the bite before I heated it up and it was gross. Better, yeah. So when you warm it up, the texture changes a little bit. It's a lot softer. So good to know. You could probably saute it with things. Alright. Scared. Here we go. Sushi. Whew. So, it looks like finding added a little garlic because that is good to add to fake meats. And I added some fresh ginger instead of the sliced ginger on the side. I'm dipping it in some coconut aminos. I want to have a smaller one. Okay, here's a smaller one. Alright, ooh. Lots of coconut aminos. Here we go. That's good. The avocado makes it good. It's like creamy. I'm not disgusted with it. I'm not having a party about it. Like, let's see how I react to just the cucumber and the avocado. That might be more yummy. Pretty good. That fresh ginger is really biting. I kind of messed up on the rice. I added a lot of the biomass hemp apple cider vinegar, probably too much. So this is the hemp biomass apple cider vinegar. It's been soaking in there since March 17th, and that extracts
So I'm gonna give you some
the
English
herbal
words.
medicinal qualities of herbs when you soak it in vinegar. So that sushi was solidified. I think I made that word up. CBD-ified, solidified. Come see me at the event, Hemp Out the Toxins, for some more CBD and hemp information. Hemp protein is really good for the vegan diet. In the recipe I read, it said a quarter cup to the cup of rice, and I cooked it with it. Maybe I should have mixed it after, but it's very vinegary.
Everyone's singing together.
Okay, let's try one more thing of salmon. Very salty. Well, that's the best way I've tasted it so far. It's not bad. It gets better and better with every bite. Alright, y'all. See you later. I'm gonna enjoy my dinner.